Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from Notion to BigQuery for analytics. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by preparing your Notion database for export. Ensure your data is organized and structured properly to facilitate the transfer. Next, open Notion and navigate to the database you wish to export. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of your database view. Select the option to export your database. Choose the export format as CSV, as BigQuery can easily process this file type. Save the CSV file to a location on your computer where you can easily access it later. Now, open your Google Cloud Platform account and sign in. Create a new project or select an existing project where you wish to transfer the data. Navigate to BigQuery from the left-hand menu of the Google Cloud Console. In BigQuery, select your project from the menu. Click on the dataset where you want to import your Notion data. If you don't have a dataset, create one by clicking on Create Dataset. Once you are in the desired dataset, look for the Create Table button and click on it. In the Create Table section, choose to upload your CSV file. Locate the file you exported from Notion and select it for upload. Set the file format to CSV in the options provided. Next, under Table Name, enter a name for your new table that will store the Notion data. You will now need to define the schema for your table. Click on the Edit as Text option and manually input the column names along with their data types. Alternatively, you can enable Auto-Detect Schema if your data is simple enough. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. After confirming that the settings are accurate, click the Create Table button. BigQuery will process the upload and create your new table with the Notion data. Once the upload is complete, navigate to your new table to review the data. You can now run SQL queries on your data for analysis directly within BigQuery. Consider setting up scheduled queries or dashboards in Google Data Studio for ongoing analytics. Your data transfer from Notion to BigQuery is complete and ready for analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.